Hey, what is up guys? Maidah here, the Drunken Chef, and welcome back to another episode of our cooking trips. Today I'm going to show you how to make my own version of Japanese dish, and this dish is quite trending right now. I always see it in social media, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. It's called baked sushi. So there's a lot of varieties that you can look for a recipe of this baked sushi. But for me, I'm gonna use some surimi, some tuna or salmon. But today I'm gonna make two versions, which is surimi salad and tuna version. Alright, so let's do it. Earlier I prepared our sushi rice, and I cook it and soak it with seaweed for about 20 minutes, and just cook your rice normally. And then we need our surimi, we need our tuna, and I also got this Bonito Flakes, some Furikake, Nori Flakes, soy sauce, rice vinegar, salt and pepper, sour cream, Kewpie Mayonnaise, sesame seeds, and of course the seaweed crisp or the seaweed snacks. Alright, so let's do it. Firstly, we have to season our sushi rice with some soy sauce. And then we're gonna add our sesame oil. And now we're adding the furikake mix. And now we're gonna add a little bit of rice vinegar, just a splash, probably 1 tablespoon. And then we're just gonna mix it. So this recipe is my own version, so this is quite different from other recipes that you will find in the internet, YouTube, or because this is how I like my rice to taste, so I'm putting a little bit of twist. Alright, so just mix it. So first we're gonna make the tuna mix. Then we're adding some spring onions. And then we're gonna add some sour cream. And then of course our mayonnaise, the Kewpie Mayonnaise. And then we're just gonna mix them well together. Next is the surimi or the crab sticks. You can use crab sticks, you can use whatever flavor you want, to be honest. So I just want this surimi because it gives a really good texture. We're just gonna roughly chop our surimi. Just roughly chop it. And then just transfer it into a bowl. So a mixing bowl. There. Then we're gonna add some spring onions again, some sour cream, and Kewpie Mayonnaise. So let's do our tuna version of baked sushi. First thing, we have to assemble this rice. Gonna arrange it in our tray. All right. And lastly, we're gonna add some mozzarella cheese. The mozzarella cheese will give additional texture, but you know, it's optional. You can just bake this as it is, but I wanted to have a little bit of twist on my baked sushi. So next, we're gonna make the crab mix. So a different flavor for my baked sushi. Again, just layer your rice evenly. The crab mix. It's actually pretty easy, but there's a lot of ingredients, components, and lots of different kinds of ingredients that you're gonna use. But this will definitely make your, you know, dinner or breakfast or lunch really good. And with this flavor, I'm just gonna add some Bonito Flakes on top. There we go. For the tuna, I've added some mozzarella cheese, but here in my crab, I'll just add a cheddar cheese. So let's add some cheddar cheese. All right. Now both straight into the oven. So while my baked sushi is baking and cooking, I just bought fresh salmon. So look at that, it's really beautiful. There's a lot of fat in it. So I'm just gonna add some sashimi that you can also put on top, or like a toppings in your nori chips. Right, so let's do it. Nice and clean.